What's up, nerds? Welcome back to the ABCs of OSS, where we're breaking down the world of open source software one letter at a time. I'm Taylor, and today we're cracking open T for transparency. The reason open source isn't just software, it's a philosophy. Transparency is one of those words people love to throw around, but in open source, it actually means something. It's the difference between trust me and here's the code, see for yourself. Let's get into it. In the open source world, transparency is everywhere. You can see the code, you can see the issues, you can see the pull requests, the governance meetings, the roadmaps, the flame wars, the bug reports, the failed tests, all of it. It's like watching a software project with the walls made of glass. Why does that matter? Because transparency builds trust. When you can see how something works, you don't have to guess what it's doing behind the scenes. There are no black boxes, no mystery, no proprietary magic, just actual logic and actual code by humans. And the coolest part, transparency isn't just about visibility, it's about accountability. If a project is slow to fix a bug, you can see why. If a maintainer is overwhelmed, you can see it in the issues backlog. If a company is influencing a project in a certain direction, the discussions are public. It keeps projects honest and it keeps communities aligned. But transparency also creates collaboration. People can learn from each other's mistakes, new contributors can see what's needed, users can follow progress in real time. It's like open book teamwork. Let's talk examples. Linux, every line of code is public. Kubernetes, every design decision has a public record. Even your favorite JavaScript libraries, you can scroll back and read commit messages from 2014 that says things like, fix that weird bug Brian introduced. And transparency helps security too. Yeah, you heard me. People love to claim open source is less secure because the code is visible, but the truth, transparency means flaws get spotted faster, fixed faster, and discussed openly instead of buried. Now, does transparency come with challenges? Absolutely. Sometimes transparency reveals drama, sometimes it shows burnout, sometimes contributors disagree loudly and in public, sometimes people join a project just to complain because they can see everything. But that's the trade-off. Transparency invites more eyes, more ideas, more learning, more innovation, and more accountability. And yes, more opinions than you probably asked for. In the end, transparency is the heartbeat of open source. It's why developers trust the products they use. It's why communities form around shared goals. It's why open source keeps winning, one public commit at a time. And that's T in our alphabetical tour of OSS. Next time, we're rolling into U for upgrades because nothing lasts forever, especially not your dependencies. Until then, keep your branches clean and your discussions public. Peace out.